Today, we are heading towards one of Pakistan's most breathtaking spots, Tarbela Dam. Just a 2-hour drive from Islamabad, this place is not just an engineering marvel, but also a site of pure natural beauty. The plan? A scenic journey, golden hour views, and a peaceful iftar by the water. With me on this journey are my friends. They are kind and add life to every trip, always ready with jokes, always capturing the best moments. And today, we're making some new memories together. Standing here, you can feel the calmness in the air. Tarbela is not just a dam, it's a reflection of nature's grandeur and human achievement. This is the world's largest earth-filled dam, supplying energy and water to millions. But beyond its engineering marvel, there's something deeply spiritual about this place. The water flows endlessly, just like time. It reminds us of life's journey, constant, ever-moving, and full of purpose. Sometimes you just need to pause, breathe, and appreciate the beauty around you. As the sun starts to set, the entire sky transforms into a painting. There's something about watching a sunset that makes you reflect on where you've been and where you're headed. In moments like these, everything feels aligned, and you just know, this is peace. And finally, the moment we've been waiting for, Iftar by the water. There's nothing quite like sharing food in a peaceful setting, under the open sky with good company. It's a reminder of gratitude, blessings, and the simple joys of life. This trip was worth every second. The views, the vibe, and now the food. Couldn't have asked for a better way to break our fast. As we wrap up this journey, one thing is clear. Sometimes all you need is a road trip, good company, and a moment to slow down. Tarbela, you've been amazing. Until next time.